go for it. Good.
I'm filming already, yeah? Because it's part of the story.
I'm going to swim. Maybe
In the lake?
in the sea.
In the sea?
No, in the lake.
I think it's cold. I know someone who has been
Yeah,
in there.
you told me. Yeah, let's try. Maybe halfway. You never know. I don't like the... I should wear my shoes. I have water shoes.
There were no stones, nothing inside.
Yeah, but I don't like
The mud.
Yeah, I'll go.
See you later. Funny how you run. You ready? Be strong! Dutch woman!
Finito.
I didn't film yet.
Good morning. I'm hiking. I'm going for a hike for a few hours, and then the rest of the day I'm going to chill. Chrissa and Henry are still at the van. Oh, it's so beautiful here. It's so beautiful. And I'm just away for 2 minutes. But it's so nice. So, hiking. Maybe I'll find a piece of land that we can buy.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be.
Need to go through a fence again.
Two hearts running wild. never stop. As we shuffle time, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So Chris is cooking and I just took a swim and now I'm going to do Portuguese homework. Okay Chris, what are you cooking?
Well, today it's Spanish croquette time. And
Spanish croquette.
Spanish croquettes, and the interesting thing is I'm going to do it with bechamel sauce as a base. That means a lot of energy, but hopefully also a lot of taste. And I seen the recipe during the week in a TV show called Kitchen Impossible. So I'm trying to cook it now.
Good, nice.
no?
Yeah,
Yeah.
looking forward to
And
it.
it will be vegetarian, of course. So I'm not sure yet about the filling, but seitan, miso cream, onion, garlic, salvia, rosemary. I don't know yet.
Okay,
Cheese,
yeah,
feta cheese.
yeah,
You like feta?
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I need to prepare it now
Yeah.
because the bechamel needs to cool down.
Mm-hmm.
So will take a while.
Good luck. You're making croquette?
Bitterbaum. Let's make a fricando.
Frikandel.
Fricandel. It's long and thin. French style.
Beautiful, honey.
Oh, nice shine.
Baking, baking, baking. We are baking frying the
The croquettes.
croquettes.
Croquettes and the fricandel and the
There's
bitterbaum.
no frikandel in here. Only croquette. Smells good. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.